Hi friends, good day everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome each and every one of you today for the session on knowing the Edu Skills services, and let us learn some of the guidelines of the platform today. Whether you're joining us for the first time or have been a part of us in our learning community, we are delighted to have you with us. Edu Skill platform was created by the health professionals and for the health professionals. Our mission is to empower aspiring healthcare workers with the knowledge, skill, and confidence they need to achieve success in international examinations and advance their careers. Today, we will introduce you to the wide range of services we offer, including OET preparation, learning resources, mock test, interactive classes, mentorship, and continuous academic support. We will also explain our guidelines, which are designed to create a respectful and professional and supportive learning environment for everyone. We encourage you to actively participate and ask questions and make most of the every opportunity available in our EduSkills platform. Your dedication combined with the guidance of our experienced mentor, Dr. Father Saleen Joseph, will help you move one step closer to achieving your professional goals. Remember, success is not achieved overnight. It is built through consistency, discipline, and the willingness to learn. At EduSkill, we are committed to walking alongside with you throughout your journey. Once again, thank you for choosing EduSkills. We wish you an enjoyable and informative and inspiring session today. Let's begin our journey by exploring the services and guidelines that will help you make the most of your learning experience. So, Edu Skills services, if you are seeing this in YouTube, kindly consider to like, subscribe, and share with your contacts so that we can reach to maximum number of OET aspirants. Today we'll learn about the benchmark study plan orientation. So, name of our platform is Edu Skill International. Services which are provided are live Zoom sessions, feedback on learning experience, task assessment, free materials which are available in our Edu Skill International platform. In a file session, you can access all of them for free of cost. All the materials which are available are free. Mentoring by our Dr. Father Saleen Joseph. We have only one mentor, that is Father Saleen Joseph. Study groups, we have numerous study groups, and empowering and learning stations. We have empowering and learning stations for OET. Spiritual support groups called Ephatha, where we pray for our aspirants, and we have services in Ephatha to pray for all the aspirants. And we have psychological support stations and EL packaging, which means earn while you learn, where you will be certified to teach OET. We will train you to teach in other platforms so that you can earn while you teach. OET channel has many resources for learning, for reading, listening, speaking. So all these are free of cost. You have all the modules, all the strategies explained by Father in different videos. You can access all of them for free of cost. All type of 12 questions which have been explained by Father. Some instructions for beginners. So today we'll see some of the instructions that you have to follow for the new aspirants of August batch. So kindly follow the pinned message and notice carefully. Being a member in the platform is not enough. Be an active member. Spend at least 15 minutes to know the platform. So install a Zoom in your phone or laptop for daily discussions. Zoom link in blue color daily posted in platform before 1 hour of each session. So when there are sessions by Father or by our aspirants, daily discussions, it will be informed to you and the Zoom link will be posted. So you can click on that and join the classes on daily basis. Any concern, even small, we are here, admins, to help you within 24 hours. Keep your phone muted while sessions are going on. Avoid interaction during the learning hours. In case any emergency, you can leave the session without disturbing others. You can put a short message in the chat and then leave the session. You can follow up in the YouTube if you are really busy and you want to follow, but you cannot on your videos and cannot follow the Zoom instructions. You can join through YouTube. So your energy, be on time for session, follow platform rules, respect everyone's time and follow admin's guidance. Spend quality time. It's completely free. Don't pay anyone. So this platform is created by the professionals, so for the professionals. So it's a free platform. Be aware of it. Costs are paid by Father Saleen and admin panel. It costs their time and effort. So practice every day. In the beginning you will have difficulty. If you take few new resolutions, then definitely there are struggles. Keep in mind you are not alone. It's a great platform with nearly 30,000 members are traveling with you. Through Father Saleen's love for the platform and for us, he is helping us with rewarding resourceful sessions. So be patient and keep perseverance. Follow one mentor. If you have joined any other groups, please complete it and then come to this platform, or you can follow only one mentor. That is, you can follow any mentor but follow one mentor, or else you will be confused. Take hard copy of daily task that is posted after the session and complete your task. Post your learning experience in the main platform, not in the subgroups, so everyone can benefit. So move to a place where there is no network issue, so that in between you will not be disturbed. It will take 4 months of OET journey, so dedicate this time for your own improvement. The time you spend here will be fruitful in double and you can be competent. English is the only language for communication. You can express in your words. Don't hesitate to talk. So while discussion, you can take the slots and prepare the PPT and present. Even though you're wrong, we are here to correct you and Father is there to guide you. So don't hesitate. Even if you have night duties, you can inform the admins in charge. Don't take a long gap. Go with the flow. So empower each other and grow together. Kindly follow and respond the pinned messages and enjoy your OET journey here. So I welcome you all once again and thank you for listening to me. Let us see you all in another session very soon. So thank you very much.